Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited you're here. If this is your first time on my channel, I'm Jelena. I'm a mom of 2 kids and I'm a stay-at-home mom. My channel is full of cleaning, organizing videos, and anything that has to do with mommy and kids. I really hope you will enjoy watching this video and my other videos and maybe consider subscribing. Today's video is going to be a collaboration with 3 wonderful ladies, and the theme of this collaboration is going to be a nighttime cleaning routine. So we're going to show you what typically we do in the evening, how do we clean the messes left throughout the day, and everything that we do. The first girl that we're doing a collaboration with is KOHL. She has 2 little girls and her channel is all about motherhood, hauls, lifestyle videos, vlogs, and I'm very sure you guys are gonna like her channel. The second lady is Sinella from DONTSAYHURRY channel. She's a mom of 3 girls and 1 boy, and on her channel you're gonna find a lot of meal prep, recipe videos, vlogs, and just all around fun videos. And the third lady is LOOMIS. She's a mom of 1 little girl, and on her channel you can find videos about motherhood, beauty, fashion, and some lifestyle videos as well. I'm gonna link all her channels in the description box down below, so please go ahead and check them out. Say hi in their comments and just tell them you're coming from my channel. If you enjoyed their channels, don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Okay, now it's time to start our nighttime cleaning routine. I really hope you will enjoy it, and let's get started. So the first thing I do every evening after dinner, I unload the dishwasher if I did not unload it during the day, and then I start loading it up again and hand washing the dishes that need to be hand washed. Now, I do not clean my sink every single evening, but I tend to do it as often as possible because there's a lot of food residue that stick around, and I don't really like that. I really like to see my sink clean and shiny. Somehow there's always a lot of things that accumulates on our countertops, so I tend to clean all that out and leave it bare as possible. I really don't like too many things on my counter. I said this before, I love Mrs. Meyer's products. I love Method products as well, because not only do they clean good and they are natural products, they also smell amazing. And after I clean my kitchen in the evening, literally the whole kitchen, living room, and the dining room area smells great. Awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer. I also like to clean my counters and around my coffee maker because there's always a splatter of coffee around and there's always some kind of crumbs on my counters. One thing I like to clean every evening is my stovetop, especially when I use it a lot making dinner. I don't like to leave any residue because if it stays on for a day or two, the stains get stuck and it's very hard to clean them afterwards.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer.
Even though we use placemats while we eat dinner, our dining room table always is dirty, always have some fingerprints and some leftovers of food somehow. So I like to clean that every evening as well.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
And my daughter's high chair is one of the things that I clean every evening, so it's ready to go for the day after. At the end of the kitchen cleaning, my husband usually takes out the trash, but right now he was taking care of the kids, so I took it out. I'm using these trash bags from Aldi that have nice scent. And one other thing that I like to do, or we like to do, is to clean out the trash can top because that's where most of the bacteria are, and we clean that pretty much every day or every other day. And the last thing I do in the kitchen is I sweep my floors just a little bit wherever I see there are some crumbs leftovers, especially under the dining room table, in a part of the kitchen where I worked, and also I do it in front of our backyard patio door because that's where our kids come in and out and our dog come in and out, so there's always pieces of grass and dirt there. My husband and I usually pick up the toys that kids left and anything that was laying around so we can leave the living room nice and clean and neat for the day after. And the last thing I do in the evening, I clean out lightly our sink area in the bathrooms just to clean out the water splatter, and from our kids brushing their teeth, there's always some splatter around. And I change out the hand towel so we have a clean one for the morning after. What I like the most is to wake up in the morning to a clean kitchen, clean house, and start the day that way. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click that red subscribe button, it's free. Also check out the other ladies' videos as well. You're gonna find them in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.